Hello everyone and welcome back to DET Coach's Beginner's Guide to the Duolingo English Test. In this lesson, we'll move on to speaking sample, beginning with the question type and the complete response process. After the prompt appears, you have 30 seconds to read and prepare. You then record a video response of up to 3 minutes. This question contributes to your overall score, as well as your speaking, conversation, and production subscores. Your prompt and video response are also shared with the institutions that receive your results. During the 30-second preparation period, first identify the task words and every requirement, then decide on the main direction of your response. Do not rush to compose long sentences. Once the response recording begins, the button on the screen becomes available for submission at the 30-second mark. You do not need to submit in a hurry at that point. You can continue and complete your response. Common purposes in extended speaking prompts include describing, narrating, explaining, and arguing. Based on the test tasks, this course groups these prompts into 3 response types: narrative, descriptive and explanatory, and opinion and argument. After you see the prompt, use the task words to identify the main response route, then check whether there are any additional requirements. Some prompts combine 2 task types, so make sure you address them both. During the 30-second preparation period, do only 3 things: decide on a direct answer, choose 2 content points, and put them in order. Take the friendship prompt on screen as an example. What is your view? Asks you to state a clear position, while give reasons and examples. Asks you to add reasons and examples. Its main route is therefore opinion and argument. First, decide which type of cause you consider more important. Then choose 2 content points that will be easy to develop. For example, your first point could explain how changes in people's lives reduce the time they share, while your second could compare the impact of trust problems. That is enough preparation. Do not try to compose a complete response word for word in your head, or you will quickly run out of preparation time. Once the recording begins, state your position first. For this friendship prompt, you could say directly that you believe changes in people's lives end friendships more often than trust problems do. Your first content point could explain how starting a new school, changing jobs, or moving away reduces shared time and contact. Your second could then discuss trust problems. They may damage a relationship more quickly, but they may not be as common as changes in people's lives. Add a specific example or result to each point so that your argument is fully developed. End with 1 sentence that summarizes your main answer and connects it back to the prompt. Do not introduce a new point in the conclusion. A maximum of 3 minutes does not mean you must use every second. Once you have finished your conclusion and have no new point to add, you can click Submit. Do not repeat earlier content simply to make the response longer, and do not shift to an experience that is unrelated to the prompt. Speaking sample is evaluated across 5 main dimensions: whether the content addresses the prompt and is developed sufficiently, whether the organization is clear and coherent, whether the vocabulary and grammar are accurate and natural, whether the delivery is fluent, and whether the pronunciation is clear and easy to understand. In the next lesson, we'll move on to Speaking Sample 02, and learn the response template and development method for narrative prompts.